Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Guys, I have to clear my throat for this one. Are you ready? Okay, here's an enhanced version of the home description, infused with more captivating language. Introducing a masterpiece of modern luxury, meticulously crafted by the visionary architect Arthur Lowe. This breathtaking four-bedroom dream home sprawls across 7,500 square feet of lavish living space, set over 3 floors of uncontrolled elegance. As you step through the grand foyer with its soaring 30 feet vaulted ceiling, you will be struck by the seamless fusion of sophistication and warmth. The expansive great room unfolds onto a stunning city vista, perfectly framed by the idyllic lawn and beautifully landscaped gardens. Gourmands will adorn the spectacular dream kitchen, complete with high end finishes and an adjacent secondary kitchen for effortless entertaining. The gracious helper's quarters, complete with 2 bedrooms and a separate entry, provides comfortable accommodations for staff or guests. A serene office or a library on the ground floor offers a peaceful retreat for remote work, surrounded by floor to ceiling bookshelves and infused with natural light. Additional highlights include a spacious 4 car garage with auto gate and a bedroom on the ground floor. Call now to make an appointment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1,650,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.